Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I did my I have my lace wig, but I decided to reapply it, and I'm making a review because I found that the Walker tape, the Walker tape glue, I didn't really like it. It was just too sticky. So I'm gonna use some Ghost Bond and see how that turns out. As you can see, I still had the braids, and I just re-braided them a little bit because I had some flyaways and stuff like that. And I'm gonna let you guys watch me reapply my UNICE wig that was sent to me. And yeah, you know, she had a little glue and shit on her, but yeah. And as you can see, this is the wig. I'm still gonna go with my side part, but I'm gonna adjust the straps a little bit. I did find that this wig was a little bit, I'm kind of pressed for time because I'm at the airport and stuff like that. So, and I decided to, cause my wig was coming off, so I decided to fix it up. So I did find that the wig is a little big for my head, but that's okay, cause we finna get it together. And I did decide to use my mesh, just to kind of like keep the braids down and kind of like, keep the, cause I tend to have, as you can see, I tend to have like little flyaways and stuff like that. But I'm gonna use like a pen or something just to outline. Girl, hold on. I'm making my video just to outline where I want my lace to fall. Did you want to be in my video? This is the girl that I met at the airport, and she decided to want to be in my video. It's my YouTube channel.
Oh, you got a YouTube? Okay.
Yeah. So I decided to put my little thing on, and then I'm gonna slap my wig on top of that.
Get it, girl.
Yes. So like I said, I found this wig. It was a little big, but I'm gonna just outline it.
So you not getting back on the bus with me?
What bus?
You not getting? You going? You trade bus, ain't you?
Yeah.
Oh man, that lady charged me. That lady gave me 10 cents for a fucking Newport short.
She gave you 10 cents?
10 cents? I said 10 cents, really?
Yeah, Newports. If anybody know about Newports.
Yeah, 50 cents. You don't charge no.
Them shits is 50 cents to $1. That's why I told you that.
Maybe you should back on the bus.
Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of like outline it where I want where I want my thing to fall, and I'm gonna use my pen for that. I don't really like using a pen like that.
Get it, girl.
Yeah, the pen not gonna work. Yeah. And plus, I don't want it to like. I want it kind of like on my hairline, but like a little before my hairline. Yeah, I'm gonna just apply it because. Yeah. And I got me some lace release, so that'd be good too. But like I say, you guys already know about this UNICE hair wig. I just gotta like brush it up a little bit. You guys know about this UNICE wig. Y'all know that it's thebone.com. I made a review on it. The hair is amazing. You know, y'all gotta check it out. Y'all definitely have to check out this UNICE website. Like I said, I'm not gonna make my video that long because I'm kind of pressed for time.
Oh my God, that's nice.
You can we gonna see what this Ghost Bond gives. Let me kind of like smooth that out. I hate making my videos real quick like that. Cause like y'all know I like taking my time making these videos, but
Right.
it's all good. But yeah, we're gonna make it do what the fuck it did, you feel me? And two, plus I've been saying that I wanted to bring y'all a video. I just haven't had an opportunity and a time and a place, you know, to do it. So yeah. But yeah, this is it, y'all. This is the wig. Alright, now I'm gonna pull that forward and kind of like tighten it so that it lay down. And I'm gonna press it up, you know, just to kind of like, yes. For some reason, oh yes, I think I'm gonna like this year. I really didn't want the lace like on. I'm gonna pull that back a little bit. Just like that. Because I wanted to give like that natural look. I don't really like the lace on my skin like that though. Yeah, so I did read that you have to use alcohol, but I don't have no alcohol, so yeah. And I'm gonna use my brush. Oh, there we go. There we go. Aha. All right, let's take that down like that a little bit. Smooth that down like that. You know? And yeah. We're gonna add us a little bit more glue right here. Cause yes. Y'all know I don't be making videos with people that much, but I just so happened to meet the girl at the yeah. So I guess she decided to do a video with me. Or I decided to do a video with her, I don't know. But I gotta get my hot comb. Somebody stole my hot comb. Yeah, it was a big mess. It was just a big mess. Y'all know how I feel about that stealing shit. Well, we gonna see what this do, you know. Yeah. So forth. I did find with the hair does shed a little, but I'm expecting that from long hair, you know. It don't shed that much, but it does shed. And yeah. And I ain't got time for the baby hairs. Plus I ain't got like a little brush and no glue, no gel and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna like this little ghost bond glue. It's better than the Walker Tape because the Walker Tape was too sticky for me. And I ain't like that sticky. You know? Especially when it's with a lace. It was just too sticky. So, look at that. I do need to wash her. So next time I install her, I'm gonna wash her because yeah, she needs to be washed. Cause yeah. Just to give back that natural wave and that natural curl. Yeah. Oh, this video is 12 minutes, but yes, this is the shedding that I got with the hair. It's not that bad, but UNICE wigs, I'm gonna need y'all to do better, cause I shouldn't even be getting that much shedding. You know, it's not that much, it's not that bad, but I'm for y'all type of quality hair, I'm expecting no shedding. But yes guys, this is the finish of the wig, and as you can see, we take that down like that, and for some reason let's look at it. I'm gonna put a little bit more glue right here. Like that. I didn't want the lace like too on my face. I kind of wanted it because my hairline is like right here, so I wanted it a little before my hairline. And yeah, I love the way it turned out. The only thing is trying to keep it, yeah. The Ghost Bond glue. But we gonna see what it do. I got me some lace release anyways. So, you know, cause the way my edges are, is like my edges kind of swirl. And yeah. So I'm gonna kind of like, I don't have a comb, so, well, I have my comb, but it's deep in my bag and I don't feel like getting it. So I'm gonna just kind of like go in with a pen and kind of redefine that part. See, that's why I wish I had my hot combs. But once I reinstall her, I just put my makeup and shit on it. You know, some foundation on the inside just to kind of, I could leave it like this because it still looks natural. After a while, I know I'm gonna get sick of this side part, and I'm gonna want me a middle part. After a while, though, after a while. Yeah. Take that down like that. Yeah. And again, guys, this is the finish of it. You know, it's not that bad. I know some areas. Oh, they leaving now, y'all. Gots to go. Gots to go. See you guys at another time, and thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. This is the finish of the Ghost Bond glue, and as I said, the hair is amazing. I just think that the shedding could be less, and I'm looking forward to getting more hair from UNICE wigs. And thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel. Bye.